I've been testing the Microsoft Lumia 535 Windows Phone with Windows 10 pre-installed for a while now, and I think it's a great phone, quite cheap and feels a bit plastic though, but it feels a bit like Nokia's design, Nokia's build quality. I don't like that this phone has a detachable backside and a replaceable battery though. I prefer to have a unibody that you can't open and have so few ports and so on as possible. I don't like to have a battery that you can change and so on. I think the size is perfect. It's a 5-inch display, but the sharp edges on the front feels a bit too plastic. But the back side of the phone feels quite nice in your hand. And it's very nice to have a 5 megapixel front facing camera, so you can do vlogs, really good vlogs in 1080p. But the camera app on Windows 10 is quite buggy. You can, for example, not see the buttons completely at the bottom of the camera app. So I think this is because Windows 10 is buggy and this phone maybe is not meant to run Windows 10. So we will see if that will be better when Windows 10 is released. But I really like the UI and Windows 10. I like the operating system and it's very snappy, no lag at all. But some of the apps takes a while to start though, and I think that's because this is a quite low-end phone with no fast CPU and not so much RAM. And to me that's quite annoying because I don't like to have waiting time when I will start an app. For example, on my iPhone 6, all the apps starts instantly with no waiting time. I really like what Microsoft are doing at the moment. I really like the new coming Windows 10 and that you can use a mobile phone as a computer if you connect it to a display and so on. I really like these ideas that Microsoft have about the future and so on, their vision. So hopefully all this will be a reality too, so it's not a fantasy, a Microsoft fantasy. I think if they can deliver what they promise, then this will be really interesting. Okay, so that was some of my thoughts about the Microsoft Lumia 535 Windows Phone. Okay, bye!